Hey coders, wanna learn something new about programming? Here we are. We will start our new tutorial series on the most demanding and yet easy to learn programming language, that is nothing but Python. The only prerequisites to this tutorial series is your time. What I just want is your 30 minutes from your day-to-day schedule, and I will make sure at the end of this series you guys will be able to code in Python. And yes, to make it more interesting, I will try my best to make use of animation so that you guys can easily get a clear picture in your mind. We will be learning the basics, the syntax, as well as the concepts in the language. Please make sure to code with me so that you get a better understanding in your mind. In some videos, I will code and assign a task to you guys so that you can learn a bit more what is taught in the series. Till then, please make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from Code Wallet developers.